Three.
Hi guys, how are you today?
I'm good, teacher. What about you, teacher?
I'm fine, thank you. Today's a wonderful day. Okay, you remember that last time we were speaking about adjectives, right?
Yes, teacher.
Today we're going to be speaking about nouns. What are nouns? Can you remember?
I think teacher is when we describe a person.
No, that's an adjective. That's what we were seeing last week.
Oh, okay.
Noun would be Patsy?
What?
What would be a noun?
A person.
Yes, that would be a noun. So today we're going to be seeing concrete nouns and abstract nouns.
Teacher, can we the rat at home?
What?
The rat at home is probably a noun.
Yes, a rat is a noun. Yes, perfect, excellent. Okay, so talking about nouns, okay, I need you to check, select the correct answer and tell me if we talk about what's an abstract noun, you just circle what you think it will be an abstract noun. Okay, circle or mark or underline, as long as I can tell. Excellent. What would be a good example for a concrete noun?
An apple, teacher, because we can taste the apple.
Perfect. And what would be a good example for abstract noun? Patsy.
Justice.
Perfect. Excellent. Okay. Hi guys. So now that we're going to, we saw in the last class what were abstract nouns and concrete nouns. Today we are going to do a quick activity to be able to reinforce what we were doing last time, right? So here you have certain concepts here, and you're going to put a C for concrete, and you're going to put an A for abstract. Excellent. What did you put for smile?
It's concrete.
Okay, no. Concrete, remember that we were speaking about nouns and abstract and concrete. Concrete are the ones that we can see or we can touch, okay? And abstract are those that we
So you cannot
cannot.
touch my smile.
No, you cannot touch a smile, you can see a smile. Perfect.
So that means a chair is not small.
No, that means that a chair is concrete because we can touch it, remember?
Okay.
Excellent. What did you put in wall, Patsy?
Concrete. Oh yes.
Concrete. Excellent. Okay, guys. Hi. Have a nice day. See you. Hi, guys. So today we're going to be doing a short quiz to just make sure that we understood the concept of abstract nouns and concrete nouns. So in this one, you have to just underline the noun and put a C or an A for the concrete one and an A for an abstract. Yeah. So remember, before we start the quiz, remember that abstract nouns are those that we cannot touch, that we know about. We know that they exist, but we cannot see them. And concrete are the ones that we can touch with our senses, okay? So, you're going to have 5 minutes to just do this quick quiz, and it's going to be a bonus, there are going to be bonus points for your English activities. Okay, 1 minute left. You can do this one here.
Okay.
And just underline and put the C if it's complete or A if it's abstract. Okay, excellent. You did a great job. Thank you so much. See you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.